Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Confirm whether the link is a view, edit, or comment link, because that determines permission rules. Sign out then back into the correct Google account and open an incognito window to avoid cached auth conflicts. Once done, paste the exact link into the incognito address bar so you get an unmodified request. Make sure site permissions aren't blocked by extensions. Disable ad blockers for test. This clears most auth and session causes quickly. Next, inspect the URL for a valid file ID and proper export parameters. Malformed parameters can block access. Then check the file's sharing setting, restricted versus anyone with the link, and change if appropriate. If you can't change sharing, request the owner transfer ownership or explicitly add your account using the file's sharing dialog. Once adjusted, reload the incognito tab and confirm the endpoint shows the file not an error. These steps address. To finish, clear the browser cache and cookies, or test the link on a different device to rule out local issues. Once done, try the Google Drive mobile app as an alternative path. If the link still fails, download via a shared request or ask the owner to create a fresh link. Make sure to check whether a Google Workspace admin has blocked external sharing. If so, only an admin can lift that policy. If all else fails, request the owner to re-upload and reshare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.